Flanty. You guys got to really stop this. Let me tell you something. YouTube will flag anything that has curse words in it, but I'm gonna repeat what Flanty says. I need to sign a deal. Fuck all that. That's why you won't sign a deal, because you're gonna say fuck all that. This is a science. This is a science, and it's those who think outside the box and pay attention to what's going on that makes it, Flanty. If you're not paying attention, you're watching YouTube videos, you're watching all these people, you're not understanding what's going on. That's the difference between those who just want something and those who understand how they go and get it. You have to understand how the demographics of a thing work. You can't decide, oh, today I want my own mobile phone. I want my own brand, Flanty Mobile. But you don't know how the hell mobile phones work. You don't know what a variable capacitor is. You don't know what a transistor is. You don't know what radio frequencies mobile phones operate on. You just want a phone that has the Flanty brand. Come on, fuck all that. It's not going to work. Understand what I'm saying to you. Social media is the key. You are now in control of your lives, guys. You've never been more in control of your life. Y'all can't even imagine how much control you are in your life, and how now no one controls your destiny. No one can control your destiny. It's not like when I was coming into this and me and my brother was coming into this and we had to write a million damn songs in order to get someone's attention just so we can become ghostwriters. No, guys, you have the power to do this and make it work. You understand? So I really want you guys to understand that. Brand new, no problem. He says, thanks for the info. Juice P says, it seemed like I'm in a crab in the barrel city. How can I get myself more out there to get more followers? That's the problem right there, Juice P. And no disrespect to you. Everyone thinks that they are crab in a barrel in their city, and that's because you're only thinking your city. You're only thinking your city. If you utilize your city for one simple thing, a resource to make more money, meaning that I live in a city right now where there's ample rappers, ample producers. You know what they do? They don't make money here because they feel like people are crabs in a barrel and they want something for free. But if I have a dozen crabs, it's not one crab that you can make a meal with. It's the dozen crabs that you'll eat that you can make a meal with. So you take all those dozen crabs that are, they want a little something for nothing, and you make it work for you. You don't have to give them your platinum track that you have designed for Drake, or your platinum song that you created that you want to release, but give them something that you can make that $20, $30, $40 off of each crab. You get what I'm saying? Also, stop thinking that it's all about one area. With social media and with the internet, we are right now. Matter of fact, let's do a sound off. I'm gonna prove something to you. Everybody, tell me where you're from. Everyone, tell me where you're from. What city you in? You don't have to tell me exactly where you're at. What city are you from? And I want you guys to pay attention to the power of social media. So, and my point is going to be, the power of social media and the internet allows you to be able to reach people in a way that you couldn't do before. We didn't have this demographics. We're looking at Florida. We're looking at Ireland. Okay. We're looking at all kind of stuff here, man. You know what I'm saying? Chicago, South Carolina, Greenville. He's in my area. Virginia, Atlanta, Detroit, Michigan, East Canada, South Central LA, DC, New York, the Bronx, Naples, Florida, Mexico, Las Vegas. Come on, bruh. Really? Nova Scotia, Canada, Tennessee, St. Louis, Kalamazoo. The power right here. Y'all are witnessing this, the power. So when you're thinking about that crab in the bucket, because you're not thinking outside the box, this is the power of social media, right? We have 67, 68 people here in chat that I wouldn't meet any other time. Are y'all paying attention? Are y'all paying attention? 68 people that are in the chat, almost 70 people that's in here that is listening to the message and me share my ideas, my successes, how you guys can make it, right? And I keep telling you guys, the universe is designed for you. The universe, it collapses, it expands, but it's waiting for you to ask the right thing. It's waiting on you to show it that you really want it. You can't believe that you're gonna fail. You can't think about the crabs. That's life. Life is fucked up, bro. You understand? It's the fucked up points in our lives that empower us to do better. When we're tired of the same situation, is when you become what you're tired of being. You see, that's what we were. We was tired of the same situation. So we thought what we needed to do and where we wanted to go, and we made it manifest. We put it in the work. We had to think outside the box. We had to be more creative. What's going to make me stand out from the rest of these songwriters? You have to think that way, family. You have to think that way. Savannah, Georgia, big ups to Savannah. Gotta give my Savannah, because y'all right down the street from me, right? So it's that thing, Jordan, that you have to understand. And it's what you guys have to understand. You guys have to understand how this works, because you can be successful. There is no reason why I shouldn't be seeing one of you guys charting. There is no reason why one of you guys shouldn't be having in the next year a YouTube channel with 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers of people that want to fuck with you because they fuck with you, because they like you. They like the way you tell your story. You ain't got to do nothing different. What makes us unique as a people is how my story is told, even though my story is the same story that you guys have. Most of you guys are subscribed to me because I keep it real. This is what happened. We were struggling. We was hurting. We got talent. That's what I hear from most of you guys. We was trying to figure out how to get there. We was just trying to figure out, what did I need to do to get there? It was attention. The more people saw us, the more people heard our music, the more people wanted to work with us, it was eventual that the 6 degrees of separation was going to apply to us. Think about what I'm saying. It's a numbers game. It's what all millionaires know. I'm not looking for 100,000 producers to follow me. If y'all bring them, that's fine. I'm only looking for a small few of the needle in the haystacks so I can sign them and get them signed like Nikki Wicks. I'm looking for the small few who have the work ethics that show me, oh man, I fuck with dude, man. Oh yeah, he's the bomb. Well, I mess with her. You understand? That's what you have to understand. Just creating the music is not enough. Creating the music is not enough. This is my arena. That's how you have to treat the music industry. Even though we respect and big ups every producer, every songwriter, every artist, you have to say, but ain't none of them like me. None of them like me. However, guess what? I'm still human, right? And share that with us. Share that with us. How many times I tell you guys, go and subscribe to each other's channel? How many times have I told you guys, start doing YouTube channels and sharing? I told BK Banger that BK Banger started out at 90. He's now at over 1,000 subscribers. His views, I think some of his views, he got 71,000 views. 71,000 people watched his product. 71,000 potential clients. Come on, guys. Let's go, family. What? Come on, man. Let's go. What else I got to say, right? Come on, man. Like, y'all have no clue, man. I'm listening to all you cats' music, man. And I'm so excited, but it's like, I only could do so much. I can present a shitload of talent to these record labels. I'm working hard with my overseas talent because the overseas market respect the music more than America. I can honestly say that to you. I'm not saying that America isn't where you can get it in, but I'm talking to these people and I know what they're looking for. But they have to know that you're dedicated to your own craft. They have to know you put in work. They have to know that you've at least figured out what it's going to take to get people to want to buy your music. They're not just going to put a bunch of music. The days of just building an artist out, building them out because they look like rock stars, it's over. They want to know that you know that you're a rock star or you're a rap star or a future platinum producer and you've done the work. They want to know that you believe in yourself and they're not messing with you if you don't believe in yourself. You understand? So that's the point that I'm saying to you guys. Really understanding what it takes or believing in someone that you feel has the ability to do what it takes, or having faith in your artist or your child or your son, because that's what I do. You understand? That's what I do. Everyone has aspirations to make it big. If you are a part of this channel, then you are a music producer. You have something that you're doing in the music industry and you're trying your best to make money, make this a career move. You're probably not happy where you are, whatever you're doing. But those of you who are already in the music industry, you've seen this constant shift within the industry that it's becoming a little bit more harder to get signed.